Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with premium GMC infotainment audio system, navigation, GMC infotainment premium audio system, 2 charge and data USB ports inside center console, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated second row outboard seats, heavy duty 80 amp battery, trailer camera provisions, forward collision alert, power rear windows with express down, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.